You know I got to be extra. When am I not?
What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Tammy Christine back again with another video. In today's video, I'm uploading a video. I'm doing a closure sew-in today. So right now, y'all watching me braid her hair down, which is nothing major, nothing big. I really have a simple braid pattern because technically I'm not gonna be just sewing on her hair. I'm gonna be sewing on her neck. So y'all will understand why I braided the way I braided it. So just watch. Now that I'm done braiding it down, of course you gotta grease that scalp and you gotta tuck that braid in. Okay, now I'm gonna get that boho, that's the lace jelly, I wanna say, and I'm gonna slick her edges down. And after I slick her edges down, I'm gonna put that see-through cap on there, cut that ear right there. And then I'm gonna put some more boho jelly right there so it could, cause I ran out of my boho liquid gold, so I have to use the jelly. But it works just the same and even better. So I'm gonna lay that down and then I'm gonna blow dry it until it's dry. And then I wanna cut away. Just watch. And of course, I'm going to sew down the perimeter where I'm putting the 4x4 lace closure in. So, yeah. This part right here, I posted this on Instagram and of course YouTube and TikTok, asking which color should I use. Of course, I choose the darker one. I kind of mixed it up a little bit. And when y'all putting that makeup on the lace, on the rest of the, not the lace, but the lace and the cap, make sure you guys are testing it out in the area that you're not gonna put the lace in, so you can make sure it blends in with the skin. Okay, I'm cutting up the lace. The way I'm cutting it up is I give it that frontal effect. She wanted a side part, and that's a 4x4 closure. So I'm basically finna make an illusion to make it look like it is a frontal, but clearly, as you guys see, it's a closure. Now the glue that I'm using, I am using Erica J glue. You want to apply that 3 times. Of course, some people apply 4 or more. I'm just applying 3. And then once I apply that 3, of course, I'm going to lay the lace down on it. And then those extra pieces that I didn't get when I cut the lace, I'm going to apply 3 on that also. You guys want to see what I'm talking about? your rat tooth comb through it, but also as you combing through it, push down on that lace so it can sink into it. So push down as you're combing it. I'm having her hold it while I sew down the closure. Now, bear with me because I did not catch any of me sewing the hair down, which is cool because with this video and this content that I was doing, I wasn't focused on me sewing the track. It was me, basically, the lace was my main focus on this video. So, I don't have no video of me sewing down the hair. Now, when cutting the lace off of your off the lace closure, of course, you want to like do it in like a jagged motion when you're cutting. That's just so it won't have that straight line. And bear with me, excuse my little fat that's just in front of the camera like that. So disrespectful. Now this is the part where I'm saying that you have to go back in and glue down the edge of her hair. Again, basically, you're going to do 3 layers with that also. You'll do the same thing like you did before you put the lace down. 3 layers. We want that melt look. And we don't want nothing sticking up. Of course, let it dry each time you're applying it. Well, not let it dry, but let it dry clear. If that makes sense to y'all. Because I feel like I'm saying it so wrong. Let it dry clear or let it turn, you know what, let it turn clear. I told y'all I suck at talking. Oh, I suck at talking. But I'm gonna talk because y'all need to know me and you need to know how I sound and you need to know how I talk. I'm from Houston, by the way, so yeah, some stuff I say, y'all be like, what? And for that extra melt before I put my band on there, you want to spray what that got to be or whatever holding spray you guys have, and then put that melt band on there. You can find these on my website under Ready to Ship Goodies. Now I'm sewing down that neck. Again, y'all. Yeah, I'm sewing down the neck, but I did not record me sewing down the tracks. My bad for that. Again, this video was mainly focused on me and her lace and this deep side part, basically. So, sorry about that. Her tracks was still a little damp. She had basically put highlights and conditioned her tracks herself. They were still a little damp, so I went in with the blow drying, of course, and blow dried it out. Now I'm taking off the melt band and all the excess cap that I had right there. goes the fun part. Styling. The hot combs I'm using today is from my collection, Feel the Sensation Styling Tools. You can get that on my website under Ready to Ship Goodies as well. I am using the lace jelly on the baby hairs. She's not that good at baby hair, so I kind of put that on there instead of just using the foam. So it could be a little hard, so it won't move or whatever. Right now I'm about to cut some layers. Not that many. I ain't go too crazy with the layers. Cut some layers and then styling it. back in and make those curls on the side a little bit more tighter. Even though I don't even, after we do it, I started looking at Instagram and I was like, ooh, a butterfly, I can do a butterfly braid. So that don't even stay. But anyways, watch this part. Then I'm gonna do the butterfly part. Now y'all, she is so extra.
You know I'm extra. You know I got to be extra. When am I not?
Y'all, when I say she is so goofy. But anyways, we're done with her hair. Somewhat. Somewhat done.
There you go.
Boom.
You got to say you can't do it.
Look at her. Ain't she cute? And it's her birthday, y'all. Come on, mirror. Let's go, mirror. Yes. And y'all, this is the official end finished product, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.